Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crypto Kings. My name is Matt and it's a pleasure to have you guys back on the channel today. And we have some pretty awesome news in today's video. We're going to be talking a little bit about the fact that Shiba Inu right now has just hit 500,000 holders. And this is an absolutely fantastic milestone that I think we should celebrate and look into today. So as you guys could see, it was trending on Twitter earlier. ShibaSwap was trending, which is fan-freaking-tastic. Always love to see that. And as you guys could see here, Shib has finally hit 500,000. You're saying that thanks for believing that a decentralized community can be stronger than bigger centralized projects. Shib's future depends on you, the holders. Even ShibaSwap is a project that started from the community. Which one will you start? And then, of course, people in the replies here, of course, asking why the price ain't going up, yada, yada. And basically, they're saying the whole market is down. And like I've been saying, once Ethereum will start to recover, we should expect a big pump. And that's exactly what I've been saying. And I'm glad that this guy here agrees. He definitely does seem to be a bit of a Shiba Inu fan as well. But just absolutely awesome stuff, man. 500,000 holders is a fantastic milestone. There aren't that many cryptos in the world that have over 500,000 holders. 500,000 is an awful lot. Again, it's still nowhere near Doge or Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything, but, the ceiling is high. There is always room for that. Right now, Shiba Inu is on 920,000 watch lists on CoinMarketCap here, as you guys can see. The price is up a tiny bit today, 5.02%, as you guys can see, up a little bit on the day. I'm unsure whether or not that news of the 500,000 holder thing, I'm not sure if that ended up helping it or not. I really don't know. I couldn't tell you, but it is still nice to see that it is up 5% on the day. Definitely not bad. And it's something that a lot of people don't realize. When this crypto goes up 0.0000001 of a cent, it's a pretty big deal. And I think this is something that a lot of people forget about. A 5% increase on the day for any monetary asset that's not bad. I mean, again, obviously, of course, we were wishing this was a little bit higher. We were wishing we were at least at 0.00001 by now. We were hoping to be there, but again, Ethereum and Bitcoin really are straddling that price. But again, not bad, man, to watch it holding its own in this very, very rough time for crypto. And if you guys take a look, of course, at the price of some other cryptocurrencies, you guys can see Ethereum, of course, is at 23.88. Not very good at all. If we take a look here at Bitcoin, you guys can see also not very good at 36.8. So, again, it's up slightly, which is okay, but it definitely is not really where it needs to be in order for Shiba Inu to have a better run. An example of a better run, of course, would be when Bitcoin here is past 40 and Ethereum has made its way up to 3,000, which obviously is difficult. I would not say that is something that we should be seeing within the next couple of days or anything. I mean, it probably would take about a month to get there, I think, again, but it is absolutely possible. When we take a look at this chart, the goal, man, was to watch, this moving average just increase steadily and establish some new lines here of support. And of course, TradingView does this very nicely for us. You guys could see it's really this line, man, that we're trying to break. I would make a little bit more of a aggressive statement here and say maybe this line here. If we could try to watch it, break past this area and maintain 6.5 as a new area of support, that would be fantastic. Because again, you have to look at those periods of slight volatility and determine whether or not they're really valid. So again, you guys could watch it, having a little bit of a decline, but generally, the moving average roughly somewhere around maybe 6.8, maybe something like that. It has a little bit of a really, really sharp drop here that I don't think was warranted. And again, this sharp drop could have happened for any reason. It could have been, a tweet or, some sentiment about something, some bit of news. So these little volatile drops like this are periods where it is being oversold. If I take a look at the relative strength index, it would be my guess that it will determine that it is oversold. But we will take a look together to determine whether or not it views that. And yes, I was right. So as you guys can see, the relative strength index determines that it was oversold a little bit during this period. This is a period where it was a little bit too volatile, and the price of Shiba Inu here has gone down a little more than it should have. So again, you guys see it has a little bit of a nice bounce back here, but still staying within the boundaries, of course. And again, this index does a pretty good job of predicting the way this kind of works. So right now, again, we're kind of pushing the envelope for the buying here. So ideally, we want to watch this, sort of just maintain itself, not shoot up too quickly, but just slowly and steadily work its way up past the 6.5 line. If it can push its way back up there and maintain itself there as a line of support, that would be absolutely wonderful. That's really our end goal. And again, man, what we want to see really is watch Ethereum and Bitcoin just kind of bring themselves back. Again, you guys see here is Ethereum. The price of Ethereum here over the past like 48 hours or so, and you guys can see, man, it pretty much identifies a bottom around 22, and you guys see it happen last time as well, which is great, because again, we don't want this to go back to 1700, 1800 again. That was terrible. That was really scary times for all crypto. You were entering a period of extreme fear. When Ethereum enters that price range, it's just extreme fear. So right now, you guys can see we are at 22.7, 22.8, 2300 basically as the bottom, and it's pretty much always bottoming out at that price, and that's great. Again, you guys see it even here, man, right here, okay, around 22, okay, and around 23. It's not really dropping below that, even during times where it easily could have, with increased volatility. Now again, you guys look at some really dismal charts here. The 23rd of May was the worst, all the way down to 1700, which was just absolutely awful. So hopefully we won't ever see that ever again for Ethereum. It's crazy because a year ago that would have been extremely high, but hopefully we won't ever see Ethereum do that ever again. That's the goal. And again, it is identifying these bottoms. With a more stable cryptocurrency like Ethereum, that's slightly less volatile than maybe other altcoins, it's a little bit easier to sort of determine this. But it would seem that the bottom for Ethereum is around 22.5, 23, which is decent. Again, that is better than the predictions that some people had of Ethereum going down to 1,000. Oh my God, it's going down to 0. That definitely is a lot nicer to see. So it's very great that Ethereum has managed to sort of realize a bottom like this, and I definitely do look forward to seeing where this will be within a week from now, because I do think it is possible that it could push past 25 and perhaps hold itself there again. It was kind of gearing up to get there, and then of course we see a little bit of volatility here again, a little bit of overselling that pushes it down. But again, we could easily watch this do the same thing again, pushing itself past maybe even 26 or 27. So that would be the goal on Ethereum here for the near future. But I did think you guys would find this interesting. Again, man, 500,000 holders for Shib is just absolutely fantastic. Again, up a tiny bit on the day, but market cap still at $2.42 billion. The fully diluted market cap right now at $6,343,000,000. Volume is down, of course, because a lot less sell volume, which is good. And again, man, this is great stuff. So all around, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. This is fantastic news for the future of Shiba Inu. Again, 500,000 holders, 500,000 people who are actually holding on to this token is a fantastic number, and I think a lot of people are here for the long haul. Again, you do have some whales that sell. You do have some people that get scared and sell or whatnot, which happens. But once you get rid of all that FUD, I definitely think that we'll have a nice long-term future here, as well as the fact that ShibaSwap hasn't even released yet. And once that does, I think we'll be smooth sailing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate the support. My name is Matt. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.